Hey guys, I am finally back with another video, and for today's video, I just want to be completely transparent and share exactly how I'm making around $84,000 every single month from 10 different income streams. And since my income streams have changed a lot in the past couple of months, I want to update you guys on everything, so hopefully this video does teach you some new ways you can start making money. So anyways, let's start with my very first income stream, which is probably one of my favorites, which is this YouTube channel. And obviously most of you guys already know that I make money from YouTube, but you probably don't know how much money I'm making at the moment because it does change a lot. So at this moment, YouTube is paying me about $800 to $1,000 every single day, and not too long ago I was only making around $200 or $300 every single day from YouTube, so it definitely does start to get better and better with time. Now I also have some good news because there is a new way to make money with YouTube that anyone can do. It's actually called YouTube Shorts. It's basically very similar to TikTok videos, but you just post them on YouTube, and what I like about this is that any video post can go viral even if you have 0 subscribers. And YouTube announces that it's going to pay creators up to $10,000 for posting YouTube Shorts. So I think I'm going to try out YouTube Shorts and see if I can actually make money with it. But if you're watching this, I highly recommend trying it out because honestly anything can happen. Now my next stream of income, which is probably one of the best ones for anyone to have, is real estate. Now at this moment, I'm only making money with real estate with one method, but I do have plans for the future to make a lot of money with real estate. And so I thought I might as well share those plans with you guys because it actually might help you out. So my first plan to make money with real estate is by house hacking. And how house hacking works is you basically buy a house to live in, and maybe you rent out a portion of the house, like the basement, to someone, and that person ends up paying your bills. And so at the moment, I am building a new home, and I'm going to be living in the top and renting out the bottom, and I plan to rent that basement for about $2,000 a month, which is going to help me out a lot. It's going to help me pay down the mortgage, bills, and other expenses. So if you've ever wanted to buy a house but you think the bills are going to be a little too much for you, house hacking is probably one of the best ways to reduce your bills, and it's also a great way to pay down your mortgage. Now the next way I plan to make money with real estate is through Airbnb. And Airbnb is basically a website that allows you to rent out a portion of your home or your entire home to someone. And there's a ton of homes on Airbnb, and a lot of these homes are making over $10,000 a month. And so my plan for this house that I'm currently living in, I'm not going to sell it, I'm just going to keep it and turn it into an Airbnb. And let's say you want to start making money with Airbnb, but you don't have enough money to buy a house. Well, there is this method you can try out. It's called Airbnb arbitrage. And basically how this works is you find a nice rental in a good area, and you contact the owner and say that you want to rent it, and you also let them know that you're also going to put the home on Airbnb. And you could put that house on Airbnb for maybe $300 a night. And realistically, if you do it right, you could make over $6,000 a month from that Airbnb, and that means after expenses it comes to around $4,000 in profit. And that's actually really good, especially if you continue to scale and get a bunch of other properties and turn them into Airbnbs. So you might as well look into this, and the nice thing is it actually costs $0 to start this. Now my next income stream, which I've never talked about before, is credit card reward points. And the best part about this income stream is that literally anyone can have it, since you basically just make money by spending money. So let's just say you had this credit card here, which is the Discover Cashback credit card. You'd end up earning 5% cash back on any of these purchases. So if you were to spend $1,000 a month on these items, you'd be making $50 back, which honestly is not bad at all. You're making extra money and you're basically doing nothing for it. And since I do spend a lot of money on business and personal expenses, I end up making about $300 a month just from this. And I do have 2 credit cards that I really like, and the first one is the Citi Double Cash card, and the second one is the TD Cashback Visa Infinite card. Now my next stream of income, which most of you guys already know about, is TikTok, and I think TikTok is one of the biggest opportunities right now. And there are a couple of ways you can make money from TikTok, and the first one is the TikTok Creator Fund. This is basically very similar to YouTube. TikTok is going to pay you for views, but it does not pay you as much as YouTube. I know some other big creators who are only making maybe $500 a month. Now it's not that much money, but it's still something, and I think it's going to get better with time. Now I think the best way to make money with TikTok is from sponsored content. What I mean by this is a lot of brands are going to email you and ask you to make a sponsored video for them. For example, this video here that I made about a month ago, I made $5,000 from it. And another way you can make money from TikTok is having a link in your bio and basically selling something or having affiliate links. So on average, every single month, I'm making about $5,000 from TikTok, which I am very grateful for. Now let's say you want to take advantage of this opportunity, but you don't want to show your face on TikTok. There is something else you can do, which I'm currently doing at the moment, which is dropshipping with TikTok. Now this income stream is making me around $30,000 a month in profit, and most of you already know that I do dropshipping, but I've kind of changed my method since now I'm just mainly using TikTok. And just a quick summary of how dropshipping works is you first just create an online store with the Shopify app, then you sell products on your Shopify store from a wholesaler like AliExpress, and then when a customer buys a product from your Shopify store, the product gets shipped out directly from AliExpress to the customer, so you never have to see or or touch the product and you end up making a profit, which makes this a really easy business to start. But anyways, the best way to make money with this dropshipping TikTok method is obviously first to create a TikTok account for your business, and then you'll link your business in your TikTok bio. And the next step is now just to create viral content with your product on TikTok and just hope that the videos get a lot of views. For example, this TikTok account is dropshipping these air fresheners and they're getting a ton of views, and I can guarantee they're making over $10,000 a month. So you can honestly do the same thing, and what I like about this is you basically build an entire brand on TikTok and it's completely free. And of course, if you want to learn more about this, you can go to my YouTube channel, click on playlist, and then click on Shopify dropshipping, and there you're going to find some tips. And I also do have a dropshipping course that teaches you my exact step-by-step strategy to make over $30,000 a month. So if you did want to join the course, I will leave a link for it in the description of this video. Now my next stream of income, which is hopefully coming in the future, is my property management business. Now this is a new business venture that I've always wanted to start, and so I decided I would share it with you guys before I start it, and hopefully it can give you some ideas as well. But basically the purpose of a property management business is to take care of someone's rental properties. So I would be in charge of finding renters, collecting payments, and basically everything else, so the owner of the home doesn't have to do anything. And of course, I'll take a percent of the profit every month. And you're probably wondering, why do I want to start this business? Well, because most of my income is tied to online income streams like social media and all that type of stuff, I decided I want to do something a little bit different that doesn't really involve the internet too much. So it's a good way to diversify my income streams, and because I do want to get into the real estate industry in the future, I think this will help me out a lot. Now that brings me to my next income stream, which is selling courses. As most of you know, I do have a stock market course and a dropshipping course, and I have bought many courses in the past. One of my favorite courses was a course I took on YouTube video editing. But anyways, moving on to the juicy part, I make about $8,000 a month from selling courses. Now let's say you're really good at something and you also want to teach other people about it, you can also create a course. And I think one of the best ways to create an online course is by using a website like Thinkific, and you can make a course about literally anything: fitness, cooking, side hustles. And so obviously once you make your course, you're going to have to advertise it to an audience, so you probably want to start a TikTok account or a YouTube channel to get people to buy your course. It's just so important to make sure you provide value in your course so people are actually satisfied with it. For example, the video editing course I took helped me so much because now I can actually edit my own YouTube videos. Now my next income stream, which I think everyone should have, is investing in the stock market. And honestly, the way I make money from stocks is just by buying and holding. So for example, I'll buy Apple stock and I'll hold it for like the next 10 years, and in 10 years I'll sell it and hopefully make a big profit. And another great way I'm making money from stocks is from dividend stocks. And investing in dividend stocks is basically investing in a company that pays you a certain percentage every year. For example, if you buy one share of Kraft Heinz for $43 and the dividend is 3.64%, you'll get paid 3.64% of whatever you invested in the company every single year. So that's a dividend payment, and you basically make money for doing nothing. And I'm currently making over $1,000 a month from dividends, and this is completely passive income. And the dividend stocks that I currently own are Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Riocan, Enbridge, and all the Canadian bank stocks. And if you want to start buying stocks, you can click the link in the description of the video where it says free stock, and now you can sign up and you're actually going to get a free stock worth all the way up to $250. Now my next stream of income, which a lot of you already know, is affiliate marketing. Now I had to scale this one down to focus on other things, so at the moment I'm making about $10,000 a month. And how this works is I basically have a bunch of links in my TikTok bio, my YouTube video descriptions, and my Pinterest account. And so if someone actually clicks on one of those links and sign up, they get a reward, and I also get a small commission. And one of the easiest ways to start this is going to Amazon Associates. And once you sign up, you can start promoting Amazon products. And if you guys want a full tutorial on how to start this, I recommend checking out my other YouTube video I made on affiliate marketing. And I will link 2 videos here that you guys can check out. But that's all for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.